This is a review for this small coffee maker. I have a 12-ounce mug that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use the regular grounds basket. It does leave some sediment still in my cup, so I usually do use a paper filter, but for this demonstration I won't. This is the needle, like if you're using pods, it cuts through the pod. This is for use with the pods, and I have used it. It works well too. Then we'll put the water in the dispenser. You can see in the window where the water is. The handle is for carrying to the sink or if you travel with it. This is a 12-ounce coffee mug, so as you can see it would not accommodate a tall travel mug. Then we push the button, and it does have a descale light when you need to descale it. It has a code to scan if you need further assistance or anything that way. So it doesn't take very long to heat up. Once it gets going, it's rather quiet. But so far, I've been happy with this. It's easy to clean. It doesn't have a lot of crevices for things to get into that you have to clean. And that's it.
This is more of a gravity flow than a pressure flow. Like the popular K-Cup brewer uses pressure. This one primarily is gravity. And you have to replace the cup. Either you use this cup for grounds, or the cup that I have in here now is for the K-Cups. It looks like a brew cycle takes about 2 minutes from pouring the water in to brewing. It's got a max of 12 ounces. 6 to 12 ounces. Of course, you can brew whatever you want, but not over 12 ounces because there's a hole right below the hinge. And there's the end of the cycle. They tell you to leave it under the cup, under the brew basket, until this light goes out. And this comes with a 1-year warranty. You can see it there. There's a phone number there as well as the website. But that should be it. And it's going to drip a little bit a couple times, and it's going to cut off.
It's trying. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Smells really bad, like something's burning. It's trying. Come on. Okay, it died. It died. This is the vinegar solution, and it's just not going to work. It's dead now.
I bought this coffee maker specifically so that I could have my favorite coffee on our trip, and I wanted to get something that was light and could fit in my baggage. And it comes with this to fill. You don't have to use a K-cup, and so I put that coffee in there. And then this is the puncture thing for if you are using a K-cup type thing. And then push the button. It kind of blinks like that. And then it begins to heat the water and it'll go through. As some said, it doesn't go like immediately, but it gives a good cup of coffee that is very hot. I really like it. I'm grateful that I bought it.
That's like too small. I never. Oh. Bye. See you later.
So I've descaled it. So I have water with vinegar. It flashes and then it won't work. Like, see, it says descale. But then if I press it to descale, it shouldn't have anything in here. Okay, it says descale, I'm pressing it. Not doing anything. It does nothing. It flashes and then it stops. And then it does nothing.
Okay, so this is the perfect little coffee pot for saving space in an RV. It sits really nicely on the counter. You can hardly even see that it's there. And it fits, as you can see, a perfect little coffee mug. And then it's got different attachments here. And yeah, it's great.
Making tea.